National PSI Exam Prep, page 73. Circle formula for taxes, figure 11.4. T equals tax, A equals assessed value, M equals mil/tax rate. Taxes go on the top half of the circle. In the bottom left quarter, you have assessed value. And on the bottom right corner, you have the mil tax rate. The line in between the bottom half between assessed value and mil rate is multiply. And the line that separates assessed value and mil tax rate and taxes is the divide. For example, to solve for the tax amount, multiply the assessed value by the mil rate. Assessed value multiplied by mil rate equals tax amount. Number 3, the assessed value is smaller than the actual value. A equals annual tax equals assessed value multiplied by tax rate. Number 4, the sum of all the annual tax amounts must equal the total budget. Number 5, the tax rate is expressed as a fraction of the assessed value. It may be a percentage, which means an amount of tax per $100 of assessed value, or a mil, which is an amount of tax per $1,000 of assessed value. This tax based on $1,000 of assessed value is called a mil rate. If the tax rate is given as a whole number, such as 85 mils, convert it to a decimal fraction by dividing by 1,000. For instance, 85 divided by 1,000 equals 0.085. If the tax rate is dollars per $100 of assessed value, divide by 100. Number 6, tax calculations based on the actual, which means appraised, value are often two-step calculations. The first step is to determine the assessed value needed for the circle formula. A, if the assessor has determined that a property has an actual value of $350,000 and this class of property has an assessment rate of 29% and the tax rate is 92 mils, what is the annual tax? Assessed value equals actual value multiplied by assessment rate equals $350,000 multiplied by 29%. Remember, 29% equals 0.29 equals $101,500. Use this value in the TAM circle formula, figure 11.5. Figure 11.5, TAM circle formula. So in this one, you're trying to solve for the taxes on the top half. You take your assessed value of $101,500 and multiply it by your mil rate. 92 divided by 1,000 equals 0.092. Multiply these two equals your tax rate, or your tax, straight up tax, which came to that.